Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best paddle boat motor is probably one of the most exciting ways to enjoy the water, offering a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're a seasoned boater or a casual weekend enthusiast, finding the right motor can significantly enhance your experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of paddle boat motors, exploring what makes a great one and helping you navigate the options. Number 5. Intex Explorer 200 Inflatable Boat. This inflatable boat has a sporty design. It's perfect for a fun day out on the water. The boat features welded-on or locks, allowing you to securely attach oars for easy rowing. Oars are sold separately, but this feature enhances the boat's functionality. It has two air chambers with double valves. This design allows for quicker and easier inflation, making it convenient to set up. A repair patch is included. This is a useful accessory to fix any potential holes, extending the life of the boat. The boat can accommodate 2 people with a maximum weight of 210 pounds. When inflated, it measures approximately 6.1 feet by 3.1 feet by 1.4 feet. Intex designs and tests all products to the highest standards, with safety as a priority. This affordable and innovative product is built to last. What we like. This inflatable boat features welded or locks for secure rowing, making it easy to navigate. It also has dual air chambers for quick inflation. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to enjoy the water with a friend, this boat is a great choice. It's perfect for a relaxing day on the lake or a casual fishing trip. What people say. She loved it. She took it home and put it in her in-ground swimming pool and just loves it. The boat inflated well, and the paddles held up great. They can be assembled as a kayak or two, which is a great little feature. Number 4. Intex 68624EP Motor Mount Kit. This motor mount kit is easy to attach. It's designed for quick setup, attaching in just minutes to compatible Intex inflatable boats. It fits various Intex boat models with rear mount fittings. This includes Challenger, Seahawk, Excursion, and Mariner series boats. The mount is constructed with heavy-duty composite materials and aluminum support arms. It's built to handle motors up to 3.0 HP, allowing you to cruise effortlessly. When you're done for the day, the motor mount disassembles quickly. This allows for easy, space-saving storage when you're ready to head home. Intex prioritizes safety and quality in all its products. The innovative design is built to last, offering great value. If you have any questions, the customer service team is ready to help. They are available via phone, chat, or email to assist with any needs. What we like. This motor mount kit is incredibly easy to attach to compatible Intex boats, saving you time and effort. It's built with a heavy-duty composite mount and aluminum support arms, ensuring durability. If you are looking to add a motor to your inflatable boat for a more effortless experience on the water, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who want to cruise with ease. What people say. The heavy-duty composite mount and aluminum arms feel sturdy, providing reliable support on the water. Setup takes minutes, and disassembly is just as quick for hassle-free storage. The craftsmanship reflects Intex's commitment to quality, making it a must-have for any Intex boat owner looking to motorize. Number 3. Intex Excursion Pro K2 Kayak Set. This kayak is built to last. It features a 3-ply laminate construction with super strong PVC. This provides superior strength and resistance to damage. The high-pressure inflation gives it extra rigidity and stability. It also includes 2 removable skegs for optimal maneuverability in different water conditions. It offers extra space in the bow and stern for your gear. Stainless steel D-rings are also included for securing dry bags and other items. The kayak can accommodate 2 people with a weight capacity of 400 pounds. It's easily foldable for convenient storage and transport. The set comes with everything you need for your adventure. It includes 2 paddles, fishing rod holders, a GoPro mount, a pump, and a repair patch. What we like. The Excursion Pro K2 kayak is constructed with super tough PVC, offering superior strength and resistance. It also includes deluxe kayak paddles and a high-output pump, providing everything you need to get started. If you like a durable and complete kayak package for your adventures, this is the one for you. It's perfect for exploring lakes, rivers, and calm coastal waters. What people say. After 3 years of use across multiple Great Lakes, inland lakes, and rivers, I am extremely pleased with this boat. Setup and breakdown is easy with the included pump, which can be used for both inflation and deflation, as well as pumping water out of the craft if that becomes necessary. The smartphone holder and other accessories are well built and functional. Number 2. GICLE 22 PSI Rechargeable SUP Pump. This rechargeable pump offers dual power options, with a built-in battery and DC-12V car power compatibility. It's designed for inflating and deflating paddleboards and other inflatables, making it perfect for your outdoor adventures. With a powerful motor, this electric air pump inflates a 10.8-foot SUP board to 12 psi in just 6.5 minutes. Deflation is even quicker, taking only 1.5 minutes. It saves you time and effort. The pump features an extra-large 4.5-inch screen for easy monitoring of real-time pressure. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, its compact design makes it easy to carry and store. This pump comes with 7 nozzles and a double-layer carrying bag, suitable for SUPs, boats, kayaks, and mattresses. It's your all-in-one solution for various water sports and camping needs. The pump includes 3 lighting modes: outdoor lighting, SOS rescue, and flash explosion proof. These features add an extra layer of safety and convenience for your outdoor travels. The pump supports 12V3A, 36W fast charging and includes a 36W fast charging adapter. It can be fully charged in just 2 hours, ensuring it's always ready for your next adventure. What we like. This electric pump is rechargeable and portable, making it convenient for various water activities. It offers fast inflation and deflation, saving you valuable time. It comes with multiple nozzles to fit different inflatables. If you have multiple inflatable boards or boats and need a quick and easy way to inflate them, you should consider this. It's perfect for paddleboards, kayaks, and more. What people say. It worked great. Filled up to 15 psi in a few minutes. I was previously using a car plug-in pump that took around 15-20 minutes to fill my board. This pump was barely 5 minutes. Love it. I see more time on the water. I was able to pump up both of our 12-foot boards on one charge without issue. The pump inflates my dinghy to a good pressure quickly and consistently, usually much faster than hand pumping, which is a big time saver. Number 1. GICLE 22 PSI Rechargeable SUP Pump. This rechargeable SUP pump offers dual power options, with a built-in battery and DC-12V car power compatibility. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to inflate multiple paddleboards on a single charge. This makes it perfect for various water sports and outdoor adventures. With a powerful motor, this electric air pump inflates a 10.8-foot SUP board to 12 psi in just 6.5 minutes. It also deflates quickly, taking only 1.5 minutes. This feature saves you time and effort, letting you get on the water faster. The pump features an extra-large 4.5-inch screen for easy viewing of real-time pressure values. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, and compact in size, it's easy to carry and use. The large display ensures you can monitor the inflation process with ease. This pump comes with 7 nozzles and a carrying bag, making it suitable for SUPs, boats, kayaks, and mattresses. It's ideal for water sports and camping trips. The included accessories ensure it can handle various inflatable items. The pump includes 3 lighting modes: outdoor lighting, SOS rescue, and flash explosion proof. These features enhance safety during outdoor travel. This pump provides added safety and convenience for your outdoor activities. The rechargeable paddle board pump supports 12V3A 36W fast charging. It comes with a 36W fast charging adapter, which can fully charge the pump in just 2 hours. This ensures it's ready for your next adventure quickly. What we like. This electric pump is rechargeable and portable, making it convenient for various water activities. It offers fast inflation and deflation, saving you valuable time. It comes with multiple nozzles to fit different inflatables. If you have multiple inflatable boards or boats and need a quick and easy way to inflate them, you should consider this. It's perfect for paddleboards, kayaks, and more. What people say. It worked great. Filled up to 15 psi in a few minutes. I was previously using a car plug-in pump that took around 15-20 minutes to fill my board. This pump was barely 5 minutes. Love it. I see more time on the water. I was able to pump up both of our 12-foot boards on one charge without issue. The pump inflates my dinghy to a good pressure quickly and consistently, usually much faster than hand pumping, which is a big time saver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.